Hello everybody, today on Anthony's Amazing World we're going to talk about the 3 basic wires you need to start your bug. My bug's been down for about a year because I've been doing a lot of modifications to it, changing my lights to LEDs, making the dash a custom dash inside. All kinds of little goodies there. Also picked up some aluminum door panels I'm in the middle of putting on. Anyways, let's get to the 3 basic wires. So we got our fuse box there. Here's our key switch. I got the red, black, and yellow. So red's going all the way to the starter and the regulator. I have it split off here in the back. So here it is, going all the way down the channel here on the driver's side. It's going over and into the hole to go through to the starter. Then also it is split off right here, going to the back through here to the regulator. Then you got your coil wire also going all the way back up to the front. For your coil, there's your coil. This one's going to the fuse panel for the battery. So there it is right here. They're connected by that metal piece right here, which then I just have it connected right there. So that should be everything you really need to fire it up. So I got it all fired up. We'll give her a little start. So there's your basic wiring. Should get you started if you're into these Volkswagens. Stay tuned for more on the Baja Bomber. Updates will come later. Hit that like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.